pristine lawn, beautiful parks marred by a widespread stinky situation, and we've all stepped in it. You know what I'm talking about. But now dog poo is a really sore subject for tenants all over North Texas. They're getting notices from apartment managers demanding them to hand over their dog's DNA or face eviction. Channel 8's Teresa Woodard is live tonight to explain.
Yeah, Gloria, you may call it a new trend in property management, using DNA to track down dogs and the owners that leave behind a mess. It is underway at least a few dozen apartment complexes all across Dallas.
Perfectly cute, not always perfectly clean.
Yeah, this way. Brooklyn, come on this way.
Chaparral Creek in Las Colinas is one of dozens of Dallas apartment complexes with a problem.
In fact, I would like to live in a poopless community.
Resident Brian Barkas has a problem with their solution.
If they're going to tell me that I have to do something that wasn't in that lease, it's my turn to say, hey, tough luck.
I'm hearing from clients probably 2 to 3 a day.
Cedric Moses helped write the letters being delivered to apartment doors outlining a new requirement. Dogs like Brooklyn must give up a DNA sample.
This is just a swab.
That DNA is kept on file. When the complex finds doggy waste, they pick it up and send it off. Cedric's company determines which dog was responsible.
It's very accurate. It's 99.9% accurate.
And the owner faces a fine. If they refuse to pay or refuse to submit the DNA, they risk termination of their lease.
They're forcing me to do something that it wasn't in my lease. It wasn't something that I agreed to.
Barkas says his wife was the victim of a crime in their parking lot. He says the complex would not let him out of his lease then, and he's angry they can change the terms now. Attorneys say changes to existing leases are hard to enforce, but not impossible.
And I believe that a landlord may have a plausible argument that if it's a risk or a concern to other tenants' safety, then they may need to regulate this sort of issue via the agreement with their tenants.
Just the threat of a fine may lead to cleaner grounds, but Barkas won't stick around to see it. His lease is up this summer. Teresa Woodard, Channel 8 News.